Sandal Musk sent image. I don't really take this one too crazy.
Yeah, I know, dude. The wings, honestly, like, make a difference.
Oh yeah, I took them off just because it's so much easier to wheelie. When I switched from the stock fairings to these ones, I never put them on just because it forces you down. It's a big difference. But yeah, no, this was probably for sale because I bought a Fireblade, a triple RSP. Yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna keep both of them for a little while, but with that one, how everything it has, it's yeah. So they're so different, but so much fun in their own ways. So yeah, so bought me a 2021, and that bike, it completely embarrassed this one in a race once. Yeah, because well, they're both done because this is Velocity Stack, Sprint Filter, Brentoon, 520 with 2 teeth in there. So it's a torquey fucking monster. So it jumps on everything, but that Fireblade at like 170 just started pulling hard. I was like, ripped. I've only seen 2 in the wild too. One of the 2 I bought. Yeah, off a buddy. I wanted a white one. I couldn't get a white one. And then the 2025 just came out. I can't wait to see one of those in person. They got rid of the wings or the gills, but it comes in satin black, a model. So there's a satin black model that looks menacing. We can't get the full carbon one though. That's a UK only, which sucks. The full carbon SP2. I know that there should be some out there, but not sure. Ready? Alrighty. Well, nice to meet you, Stickers. Thank you. Do you have a light planned, or you just any random one? Sandal Musk Sandal Musk is the brand, and then something Paris. Mirage Paris. All right, Sandal Musk. It might take 2 tries, but I'll get it at least the second time. I'm just giving you a heads up.
Yeah, I'll already try it this light.
Okay.
It's too light. It's too practical.
We're gonna have to go red light fishing. So we gotta shoot. You guys are gonna see it. I'm gonna input it into this vlog. So Chelina has a friend that created a cologne company and was asking her to do some promotions. She has to approach me and ask, "Oh my God, like you smell so good. What cologne is that?" And the company name is Sandal Musk, and the scent is Mirage Paris. But we need a red light. She wants to randomly walk up. Like, how do you smell somebody while moving?
You smell so good. What are you wearing?
Sandal Musk scent image. Mirage Paris. Sandal. I was mixing both of them. Alright.
Just be like, I think it's Sandal Musk and Mirage.
Yeah, I'm wearing Sandal Musk. That's just such a fucking weird name. Sandal Musk. Like, am I wearing a flip-flop? Sandal. See, look. I'm no actor. I can talk to a camera. I get stage fright. Okay, good. We got no 5-0 behind us. That's my In-N-Out. I don't know where In-N-Out is, but I smell it. let's not get pulled over today, Chelina.
You smell so good. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Sandal Musk by Mirage Paris.
Oh, okay, nice. Thank
Yep.
you. They're definitely gonna know it's fake.
So they're from Germany? They're from Germany?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm like, in English, nobody would put that name together. Like, that's definitely not English, but hey, we didn't butcher it. We didn't completely embarrass ourselves for a second time. I told her. I was like, first time I'm going to totally f*** up. Yeah, so we're going to some cool bridge area. I've been here once before, forever ago, in the Cadillac down here. It's a dope spot, like I said, but I haven't been here, I don't know, and you'll see it right now, guys. Actually, guys, I did a burnout on this bridge in my V. Don't tell nobody. It was actually a CGI burnout. You know, I never actually did a burnout. I just CGI made my bike do a burnout.
So pretty.
Yeah, it is. You parked right by the though. You parked by the It'll be in all our videos. So is that gonna work for you think?
The video?
Yeah.
Probably.
If you need me to send like an audio note, if you can't hear me, it should be able to, but I could say like into a phone if you need for a video, if you need better audio.
Usually the sun is like right on here.
Are we a little early? Because I don't think it's dropped below the bridge yet. So we might be a little early.
Yeah.
The professional photographer? Oh yeah, that's dope. I need to get some photos here too then. Yeah, we ended up stopping at this beautiful bridge. Oh, let me actually screenshot this pin. Oh, she sent it to me. Stopped at this beautiful bridge. Got some cool dope video that you guys will see on Insta. We got some dope video of me and Chelina's bikes together and my bike and dope spot. Oh yeah, now the sun just came down and over. And we're gonna go stop at some restaurant. Don't know what we're gonna eat since we are on carnivore. Dirty carnivore, a little bit of keto. Yeah, definitely we'll come back here. Alright, deuces. Oh, it's a little stinky. There's some stagnant water somewhere. Yeah, she's throwing up rocks like crazy. So glad I have my chrome visor right now. Alright guys, well I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Yeah, fun little last ride with the Pike being pink. Got to have some good conversation with some randoms at BP, but a lot of fun. I love that. If I do get rid of the bike, I will definitely miss the pink. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Alright, deuces.